My name is Ellie Widdowson, and welcome to my career plan presentation. So, as of right now, I am planning on being a school counselor slash psychologist. School psychologists are on the team of school-based interventionists meant to help children succeed despite learning, emotional, or behavioral issues. These highly trained professionals screen students for disabilities, offer counseling, and help teachers and families create independent education plans, also known as IEPs. They may work one-on-one with students experiencing personal problems. They might also work on a larger scale to educate students about drug abuse, bullying, or other significant issues high schoolers face. So they do a wide variety of jobs and all sorts of things within a school system. The required education involves 3 steps. The first is undergraduate. School psychologists typically hold a bachelor's degree in psychology or a closely related field. Most psychology graduate programs require prospective candidates to have at least a 3.0 GPA in order to gain successful entry. The second step is graduate education, and most states require that school psychologists have a master's degree. And the last step is licensure and certification. School psychologists need a license from the state to practice. Licensure requirements vary by state, but most states require at least 60 graduate credits to earn licensure or certification. So many school psychologists pursue an EDS in school psychology. Most states also require at least 1,200 hours of supervised experience. In addition to educational requirements, many states require passing scores on a psychology examination, for example, the Praxis 2 exam. This aligns with my 4-year plan because I am currently taking classes required to graduate with a psychology degree at BYU Idaho. For example, I have been and continuing to take developmental psychology, lifespan, social psychology, etc. After graduating from BYU Idaho, I plan on earning a master's degree in a graduate school program, as well as obtaining my license in the state that I will be employed in. I'm pursuing a degree in psychology because I am fascinated with the way the human mind functions. I also want to have a career where I can help work with lots of different people. My high school guidance counselor had a profound impact on my life, and I hope to one day do the same for other students who are in need. This aligns with some of the reasons from Chapter 13, which include, quote, I have a very strong interest in the subject matter of psychology. Psychology is a good undergraduate degree to prepare me for a graduate or professional degree, and I want to become an academic psychologist. Thank you so much.